you all of you know that data is not clean, right? In many of these situations, data is not clean. It is having a lot of issues. In real-time data in many organizations, data is not clean due to various issues. So issues could be due to, the issues could be like missing values, duplicate values, errors in the data, or irrelevant values. Okay, so these kind of data would be available in the data sets. So before we take this data to visualizations or using in the models, any of the machine learning models, any such thing, we need to transform this data, clean the data. Okay, are you all getting the purpose of data transformation? Otherwise, we will be landing up into incorrect conclusions, incorrect inferences, and it may lead to disasters in decision making. Okay, so errors could be like if we take age of a person, if the age is say minus 20, is that acceptable? Is that correct? So age cannot be negative number, right? So similarly, if the say date of birth of a person is say year of the date of birth, year in the date of birth is say 1999, okay, 9,999. Then there could be, this is too high number, right? It cannot be true. So as domain experts, as the people who are working in a particular industry or sector, you know what are the correct values. You need to have some idea, like for each given column or field, what could be the appropriate value. So that is your domain expertise. Okay, so using your domain expertise, you need to ascertain the data quality and then do the necessary transformation for the data. Okay, are you all getting where your expertise comes into picture? Now we have a data set like this. Okay, this is a sample data for sales data. Okay, so this is the data set. We have transaction date, this city name, order, method type, urgent, retail. These are the different fields or columns. Okay, let us see how to transform this data so that we can make meaningful visualizations later on. Okay, so first let us load the data. So we can load the data in multiple ways. One is from here or from here, from this get data or recent data sources. So different things we have. Okay, so let's just get the Excel workbook here. This is sometimes when we open the file, it will not upload. Okay, okay, so let us load the data. Let us load the sales table data. So this is how this data looks like. Okay, this table looks like. So let us load it. So we have loaded this data set. So here you can see how many rows, guys? 7526 rows. Okay, there are 3 errors. We will correct those errors later on. Okay, let us close it. So here you can see column 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and sales data. So these are the different columns available in this sales table. Okay, now To carry out the data transformation or to clean the data, are you all able to see this queries? Here you have the transform data. Okay. So while loading the data also, you might have seen that. Let me just load it again. Sorry. Another data set. So here, so are you able to see this option, transform data? All of you. So here, instead of loading it to Power BI, then going to transform, you can directly go to transform data here. Okay. Are you all getting? Just wanted to show you. So here you can load the data. So loading will take us to the Power BI main screen. We'll open up a Power Query editor. Okay. So just wanted to show that. Let me cancel this. Okay. So now let us pull down this drop down menu, and here we have the transform data. Okay. Then just select this transform data. So now this is the Power Query editor, guys. Are you all able to see here? Untitled Power Query editor. Okay. So here you have a lot of options for doing the transformations. So let us just close this.